Hi friends, welcome to Varalakshmi's physics classes. In this video, we are going to solve some of the IIT physics problems. First one is L is the length and B is the breadth of the room. Then find the area. If, let us see, length is given as 10 meter and breadth was given as a 15 centimeters. Let us solve the first problem. Length is equal to 10 meters but breadth is given in a 15 centimeters. So we have to convert, both should be in the same units. So let us convert this 15 into, here we have to convert this into the meters. So 1 upon 100 meters, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. So we have in the place of centimeter we have written 1 upon 100. So let us find the area. Area is equal to formula length into breadth, which is equal to, length is 10 meters. So 10 meter into, and breadth is 15 into 1 upon 100 meters. So here 1 0 and 1 0 will be get cancelled, and the area is equal to 1.5 meters square. For the first one we have solved the area. Let us solve the second one. Second one was given as length is 1.5 millimeters and breadth is 4.5 centimeters. So length, both should be in same units. Let us convert this 1.5 millimeters into centimeters. 1.5 millimeter, which is equal to, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 1.5 upon 10 millimeters, and breadth was given as 4.5 centimeters. So area is equal to formula length into breadth, which is equal to 1.5 upon 10 centimeters. So sorry, here the centimeter into 4.5 centimeters. So which is equal to, this can be written as 0.15 centimeter into 4.5 centimeters. Let us do the simplification here. 0.15 into 4.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. 7. 5 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 0. 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6 and 0. 5 7 6 0. So point is, so we got the answer here, 0.675 centimeter square. Let us do the third one. Third one is L is equal to m plus n and B is equal to m minus n. So area is equal to length into breadth. So here m plus n into m minus n. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Formula for this is a square minus b square. So here it is also m square minus n square. Hence we found the answer for this. Let us do another problem. A boy is having two types of stamps. And he is pasting on the paper. He is having 8 stamps of length 1.5 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter. And other stamps he is having 5. Length is 2.2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So let us find the area of the paper. We have to find the area of the paper. So let us see that a boy is having two types of stamps here. Two types of stamps. So let us see those. One is 8 stamps and another one is 5 stamps. 8 stamps has length is equal to 1.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So let us see, find the area for this. Area of only one stamp first we will find. Area of the one stamp is equal to length into breadth. So area of one stamp is 1.5 centimeter into 1 centimeter, which is equal to 1.5 centimeter square. So area of 8 stamps is equal to 8 into 1.5 centimeter square, which is equal to 8 15 is 120. So 12.0 centimeter square. Let us see the area of the 8 stamps. 5 stamp. This is the area of the 8 stamps. Now let us find the area of the 5 stamps. So 5 of length 2 centimeter. So here the length is 2 centimeters and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So area of one stamp is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 2 into 1 centimeter square, which is equal to 2 centimeter square. So now area of 5 stamps is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10 centimeters square. So we got the area of the 8 stamps and area of the 5 stamps. By using this 8 plus 5, total 13 stamps he was filling the paper. So we have to find the area of the paper. So area of the paper is equal to area of 8 stamps plus area of 5 stamps, which is equal to area of 8 stamps we got here it as a 12 centimeter square plus area of the 5 stamps we got, this is area of the 5 stamps is 10 centimeter square. So which is equal to totally 22 centimeter square. This is the area of the paper. Hence we found. Let us do another problem. The area of the triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter is equal to the area of the square. Find the side of the square. We have to find the side of the square. Let it forget about this. Let us read. The area of the triangle is equal to the area of the square. Given that area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle is equal to area of the square. This was the given statement. Let us write the formulas for the area of the triangle. I have already uploaded the video about definition of the area and formulas for the areas of regular and irregular bodies. Links were given in the below description box. If you don't know, do check it out. Now let us write the formula for area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half B into H, which is equal to area of the square formula is side into side. Here half into, already base was given it as a 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter into height was given as 9 centimeter, which is equal to side into side is nothing but here it is a side square. So 2 will get cancelled. Here it is a 4 times. 9 4 jar 36 centimeter square, which is equal to side square. So side square is equal to 36 centimeter square. I am writing again. So side is nothing but when this square came to the other side, it will become as square root. So 36 centimeter square, side is equal to 6 6 are 36. So 6 centimeter. One side of the square is nothing but 6 centimeter. And let us do another problem. Around a circular park of radius 30 meter, a footpath is constructed of width 5 meter. Now what is the new area of the park? So let us draw the diagram. Around a circular park of radius. So they are telling that the park is in the shape of a circle. See, suppose if this is a park, assume that this is a circle, and the area of the circular park, around a circular park of radius 30 meter. So radius of the park is 30 meter. A footpath is constructed of width 5 meter. Again, a footpath was constructed like this. This is a footpath of width 5 meter. Okay, this width is 5 meter. Now what is the new area of the park? We have to find the new area of the park. Now let us see the new radius. Here old radius was given as a 30 meter. So now new radius of the park is equal to 30 meter plus again this width of the footpath as 5 meter, which is equal to 35 meter. So which is equal to, now we have to write the what is the new area of the park. Now new area of the park is equal to, we have to write the formula for area of the circle. So area of the circle is nothing but here pi r square, which is equal to, value of the pi is nothing but 22 upon 7 into r is here, it is a 35 meter whole square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 35 meter into 35 meter. I am writing. So this will be cancelled here 5 times. And now it is 22 into 5 into 35 meter square. Now on multiplication of this, 22 is nothing but 110 into 35 meter square. We will get 3 5 zeros are 5 and 5 0 3 and 3 0 5 8 3. So we got here 3850 meters square. So new area of the park we got here as a 3850 meters square. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.